Welcome to my channel A Ray of Success. First of all, thanks to everyone who support my channel. Today we going to discussing about solving some problems related to periodic and non-periodic signal. Let's start our topic. The first question become the fundamental period of this discrete time signal x of n should be equal to e raised to j into 5 pi by 6 n is. This is the previous year GATE question in the year 2008. So what is the given question? We need to find out the fundamental period of a discrete time signal. So here we can written as x of n should be equal to e raised to j into 5 pi by 6 into n. Then what is the formula of fundamental period of a discrete time signal? Capital N should be equal to 2 pi by omega into m. M is a smallest integer. It is used to make n as an integer. Here we can written as n is equal to 2 pi by, what is the omega value? Omega should be equal to here 5 pi by 6. So here we can written as 5 pi by 6. 2 pi into 6 by 5 pi. Pi cancel. You got 12 by 5. Here we got n is equal to 12 by 5. Here we need to make n as an integer. So we need to multiply a small integer. That is, we can written as 5. If you take 5 only, you will get an integer value. So you can cancel 5. Then you will get n is equal to 12. So the option D become correct. Next question. The fundamental period of the sequence x of n should be equal to 3 sine of 1.3 pi n plus 0.5 pi plus 5 sine of 1.2 pi n is. It is also a previous year GATE question in the year of 2005. So first of all, we need to find out the period of the signal. So here also the sum of the two periodic signals. So we need to find out the n1 and n2. Here we can written as n1 should be equal to 2 pi by omega 1. What is the omega 1 value? 1.3 pi. So pi cancelled. So you will get 2 by 1.3. Okay. Also it can be written as 2 by 13 by 10. It also can be written as 2 into 10 by 13. So you got 20 by 13. Here also we need to find out the integer value of n1. So you should multiply with m, that we can written as 13. So 13 cancel. So you got 20. So here we get n is equal to 20. Next we need to find n2. n2 should be equal to 2 pi by omega 2. Here omega 2 become 1.2 pi. 1.2 pi. Pi cancel. Then we can written as 2 by 1.2 can be written as 12 by 10. So here you will get 20 by 12. Also here we can cancel 6, 10. Also 3, 5. So you will get n2 become 5 by 3 into, you can take 3 as a smallest integer. So you will get 5. n2 become 5. So we need to find out n1 by n2. Become 20 by 5. So it become 1. It become 4. So you will get n1 should be equal to 4 n2. It can be written as capital N. This is the fundamental period of this x of n signal. So here we take any one of the relation to find n. n should be is equal to n1. What is the value of n1? That is 20. So this is the fundamental period of this signal x of n. So this is our answer.